Ireland is an established, modern, open economy with a long, unrivaled tradition of successful foreign direct investment. Ireland is home to over 1,200 international companies, including 15 of the top 25 financial services companies, 9 of the top 10 global software companies, 4 of the top 5 IT service companies, 13 of the top 15 medtech companies, and all of the top 10 pharma companies, to name but a few. One of the many reasons companies choose Ireland is the availability of a young, dynamic, well-educated workforce with a can-do attitude who dedicate themselves to excellence. Ireland was one of the first countries to take fiscal responsibility in response to the global economic crisis. This course of action is now paying economic dividends, and we have been the fastest growing economy in the Eurozone every year from 2014. Unemployment has been falling rapidly from a rate of 15.2% to the current rate of 6.1%, translating to higher consumer sales.
A major difference between the continent and Ireland is the length of leases. Here in Ireland, lease terms generally extend between 15 and 20 years. This year, we expect office take-up to exceed 300,000 square metres, a 20% increase on 2016. This will be the highest level of take-up ever recorded in the Dublin office market.
Retail occupier demand is driven primarily by overseas occupiers entering the Irish market. New retailers here include Nespresso, Space NK, In Other Stories, Victoria's Secret and Urban Decay.
Ireland displays a high degree of political certainty and economic stability. In a post-Brexit environment, we are set to become the only English-speaking country in the European Union, yet at the same time, we will have close proximity to the United Kingdom. All sectors of the commercial property market are performing quite strongly at the moment. Average turnover for the last 2 to 3 years has been over 4 billion, and we envisage that it's going to return to the long-run average of about 2 billion, which is a more sustainable level. We forecast growth in rents across all sectors with some yield compression, especially for core assets, as Irish property market remains attractive on a relative value basis.
Well, Ireland is Europe's fastest growing economy. Also our workforce. We have a dynamic workforce, which is youngest and one of the best educated workforces in Europe. And our foreign direct investment, where Ireland is voted #1 globally as the best location for foreign direct investment. And finally, Ireland is a welcoming, transparent and stable environment for overseas occupiers and investors.